Hi, my name is Wilfredo Narvaez, and today I'm going to talk about the topic do you think it is good to have more than one child? Why or why not? I think it is not good to have only one child because it is important for children to have siblings. From my personal opinion, I like big families and also have a big family. I know many people now talk about how difficult it is to have more than one child because they cannot afford to have more than one. But in the past, this was not a problem. We have big families, and there were big families, and they have come out through together from difficult situations. Also, I think these days people are thinking more about giving to their children's the latest gadgets like the latest mobile phone, the latest laptop, the latest gaming console, and many more expensive things. So that's why they will say that they cannot afford to have more children. um, I have a big family, and also I like big families as well. Alright, thank you.